When reliability matters, turn to Cybernet Manufacturing. The CyberMed T10C tablet PC is designed for power and mobility in hospitals and other medical care facilities. The T10C has a sealed front bezel and an antimicrobial housing, allowing it to be properly sterilized for medical use. With Imprivata single sign-on security software, you can keep your health records safe from prying eyes, while features like an RFID scanner give your staff instant access to sensitive information without the need for cumbersome passwords. An integrated barcode scanner provides equally swift results, letting you scan patient ID bracelets and medication labels with a simple swipe. The convenient handle and lightweight strap make it ideal for nurses and doctors to take on their rounds, and the available rugged case can handle any bumps and drops it may encounter, a common hazard in busy hospitals. Full-size LAN, USB, and HDMI ports allow you to integrate the T10C with a number of other devices as well. If your tablet is running low on power, you can charge it in the desktop docking station or VESA mounting station, giving it the lengthy uptime you need to work long shifts. At Cybernet, we're proud to make technology that lets you focus on what matters most, the patient.